Hi, I'm Nicola from ADIsoft. In this video, we will show you how to quickly paste elements from AutoCAD drawings into QGIS, assuming that they are not aligned. We have two drawings. First is our underlay, and I want to paste these three polygons in exactly the right places. They don't fall. If I paste them to original coordinates, they don't fall exactly in their place. And that's why I will select these and copy several elements that I know the location of. Elements like these. Copy, go into the other drawing and paste. Now in this drawing I will turn on the layer these objects. Let's see. Let's see, not this one. I'm interested in the names actually. Let's turn on all layers. I will show you what I mean and what the objects in question are. As you can see, this is the project, and we have objects like these. I will turn the layer of these objects and select these on. Now you can see clearly what my intention is. I want to locate those three objects, which are obviously these three, if I am not mistaken. Let's check. Yes, these three objects. We are sure that their places are exactly the same, so I will copy not the objects themselves, but only I will take the middle point and go here and find the middle point of this one. It is here. And now our polygons are exactly in place. So now the next step is, if I select the polygon, first let's turn off some layers, and here are the polygons. We select these, only the layer, copy them, and go to a new drawing. I will go with no template, paste them to original coordinates. Here they are, and I will save them. I will save them as the DXF file. Saving. This was DVG, and now I will save as a DXF file as well. Save. And now you will see the difference when we open this in QGIS. Browse for the layer, and of course we will specify the exact location. If we go here, file save as, and you notice the location, and now I will go to that location, and here they are. Now we will go with AutoCAD DXF, and this is the layer. We will open it. Of course, use the same coordinate system, and it of course falls into place. And this is how to correctly import your zones from AutoCAD using features that you know the location of, even if the coordinates are not the same. Thanks for watching, it's Nicola from ADIsoft signing off, and wishing you inspiration in your geographical practice.